G'day guys, as you can see I am in the midst of installing some of the glass into the back of our FJ40 Land Cruiser you see behind me, and I thought it was the perfect time to share with you a little tip I have about installing windows with an S-seal that you commonly see on an older vehicle like this. Now you can purchase the glass yourself easy enough and you can purchase the seals easy enough, but installing it you might be tempted to get a professional to do it, and by all means do that if you want to. However, it's deceptively easy to do this by yourself. I'm going to share with you how I go about it. You only need two things. The first one is a length of wire. This is actual wire. It's 2.5, maybe 3 mil core wire. And I like using wire for this purpose as it won't scratch the paint. It's fairly strong. You could use something else, but you do risk damaging the painted surface, and it may actually cut the seal if it's a rigid material. The other thing you're going to need is a rubber mallet. This is going to help you tap the sealant at the end of the process. It must be a soft blow mallet. Don't use a hammer, for obvious reasons. So with your seal on your piece of glass, the first thing I do is I get my wire and I feed it into the lip on the seal where the bodywork will eventually sit, leaving a length protruding so that I can grab this later on. Now I feed it the whole way around the seal, making sure it's in there properly, and then when I get to the other piece I have a slight overlap, and again leaving a length extended so I can grab it again. Now positioning the glass onto the bodywork, you then put downward pressure on the outside of it, not much pressure, just a little bit of pressure to help it down, and you pull the wire through while pushing down, drawing the seal over the lip of the bodywork. You may need to help it out a little bit a couple of times, so having a trim tool handy always helps. Once you've worked the seal all the way around the window and you've got it positioned nicely, you may not be happy with the fit. It'll probably be sitting a bit proud. At this point, you want to work your way around the seal evenly. Don't focus in one spot, and just help the window sit down into the seat properly until you have a nice flush finish like this. Well, that's it guys. As you can see, it's a pretty easy task. Costs you nothing to do. You just need a couple of tools you got hanging around the garage, no doubt. So next time it comes time to install glass into your project car, have a crack yourself. You'd be amazed at how easy it can be.